In this video, we will show you how to move image to back in Google Slides. When we're creating slides like this and insert some image, you can see the image is cover the text. So our text is not show like this, and it's hiding behind the image. To send the image into back, you can just click the arrange and select order and select backward or send to back. You can just click send to back and it's done. You can also reorder to select to front if you want. Okay, but let's just send to back this. That's all tutorial how to move image to back in Google Slides. Hope this video helpful for you.